In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive cryptocurrency using the Trust Wallet browser extension. If you're new to this or just need a refresher, don't worry. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you understand everything you need to know to safely receive crypto. First things first, we need to open the Trust Wallet extension in your browser. You'll typically find this in your browser's toolbar, appearing as a small icon that represents the extension. Give that a click, and let's proceed to unlock your wallet. This will require you to enter your password, which adds a layer of security to ensure that only you have access to your funds. Remember to keep this password secure and private to protect your assets. As you unlock it, you'll see your wallet's homepage displaying your assets. Now, it's time to select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. From the homepage of your wallet, you'll notice a list of tokens you currently hold. Maybe you're looking to receive something common like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Tether, but if what you're searching for isn't listed, don't panic. You can simply click on the plus Add Tokens button. This handy feature allows you to search for and enable additional tokens that you may be interested in receiving, thus customizing your wallet to fit your needs. Once you've enabled the desired token, select it from the list to proceed to the next step. Let's look a bit closer at how to actually initiate receiving crypto. You'll need to click the Receive button, which is usually straightforward to find. Once clicked, a new screen will pop up, displaying a QR code and your wallet address associated with the selected token. These serve as your digital mailing address, so to speak, for the crypto world. The QR code offers a quick and easy way for users on a separate device to send you crypto, proving really handy for mobile transactions. For most users, copying the wallet address is the easiest route. Simply click Copy next to this address. It's that simple. With this address copied to your clipboard, you can now share it with the person or platform sending you the cryptocurrency. This transaction should soon reflect in your account balance once it's sent. It's crucial to ensure that you provide the correct address to avoid any transaction mishaps, as crypto transactions cannot be reversed. Here's a handy tip. If you're using another device, consider scanning the QR code. This method not only saves time but also ensures accuracy. Scanning a QR code minimizes the chances of errors often associated with manually entering long and complex crypto addresses. And there you have it, a straightforward way to receive cryptocurrency using your Trust Wallet browser extension. Follow these steps and you'll find receiving crypto to be a seamless and secure process that fits right into your digital lifestyle.